Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. In today's tutorial, we will be drawing a serene scene of a cat sitting under an umbrella on a rainy day. Start by drawing a large circle in the center of your paper. This will serve as the boundary for our drawing. Next, draw a simple umbrella inside the circle. Begin with the umbrella's handle at the bottom and then create the canopy with smooth curved lines. Don't forget the details like the ribs of the umbrella to give it a more realistic look. Now let's draw the cat. Position the cat sitting under the umbrella, facing away from us. Draw its silhouette with a curved back, pointy ears and a curled tail. Add some rain. Draw diagonal lines throughout the scene to represent falling rain. Finally, add shading and detail to give your drawing more depth and texture. Darken the umbrella and the cat and add subtle shading to the ground and the rain for a realistic effect. And there you have it, a peaceful scene of a cat under an umbrella on a rainy day. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more drawing tutorials. Until next time, keep watching, keep exploring and keep creating. Thanks for watching and happy drawing.